linawin ko lang wala akong kinalaman dito. Okay guys, pupunta na kami sa next destination. See you there.
So we decided to make a stopover before heading to our next destination, which is Luah Valley. And to our surprise, oh my God, it's in the middle of nowhere.
Sa France, marami na kaming best nakatira sa mga ganito na ganito yung dinadaanan. Lalo na bandang sa Bordeaux, sa bandang Normandy.
So we finally arrived. Now the question is, who is taking this video if all of us are right outside? Even the bedroom seems like it came out from a horror movie. It would be nice to talk about horror stories this evening, but we won't be able to sleep. But anyway, the place is really nice, and we managed to really sleep well. Bonjour! So nice to wake up to this. Breakfast muna.
Getting ready to hit the road again. Let's go!
Ganitong low blood ako, gagawin mo akong high blood eh. Alam niyo ba yun? Kabaliktaran ako ni Isaac. Ano ko? 60-30, 70 low blood. Pinapakain niya akong taba para daw ma-high blood ako.
Pakainin mo siya ng atay.
Ayos!
Ayun.
Saint Jean. Then turn right on Quai Saint Jean.
Type yung ikot, no? Konting mali mo lang.
One way. One way. Ay,
Ayan ang hotel, oh. After 3 hours and 20 minutes, nandito na kami sa Blois. And meron kaming wine tour mamaya 4, pero ngayon hanap muna kami ng makakainan. Then sila, naglalakad na sila papunta dun sa yeah. Later na lang ulit pagdating dun sa restaurant.
Magbabar muna kami. Ay, bakit asawa ko yung bartender?
ito sweet wine, oh. Ito sweet.
This one.
No good. Ano yung
I'm Thomas, so at Budoka and a sommelier. I'm also winemaker, beer brewer, and whiskey distiller. So if you have any questions...
Oh, not us. Ready to start, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so you are here in one of the oldest cellars of all the Loire Valley. Digged in 1463.
Really do that. Okay? I will teach you how.
may ano?
Magno, itetest natin dyan ang pagka-chef mo. Kailangan alam mo yan.
Ano?
Dapat alam mo yan.
Wala naman, di naman niya inaano din natin.
Toast. Toast yun? May ganun flavor ang ano? Ang barrel? Toast? Na paano ka, mahal?
Mo yata hinamay ko.
Loko.
Wine. Okay, 3 white, 3 red. With the first wine, we'll really take our time. I will give you many explanations, okay? What to smell, what to see, how to taste, how to pair with food. If you need to put it in a decanter or not, you will know everything. But before we start, I have to warn you about the golden rules of the wine tasting. There is no absolute truth. Content. Ready to start? Yeah? Alright, except if you're colorblind, that should be the easiest part. Is it white, red, or rosé? White one, obviously. Don't worry, there is no trap. Okay? If you go in the center plus Auvergne, the mountain, there is 16 AOCs. There is white wine in all of them, and they will be all made with Sauvignon Blanc, including the most famous Sauvignon Blanc in the world, Sancerre. Do you know Sancerre? It's absolutely incredible. Okay? No Chenin Blanc. What do you smell the most?
Leather.
Leather and tobacco. If I keep it easy, is it very fruity, pretty floral, or kind of spicy like leather tobacco?
Spicy.
Okay. This Cabernet Franc grows on clay. Same village, same grade, but now it's and same year. It's the single vineyard called Solo. 71 years ago, sorry. That's now the real stuff, huh? Okay, the what we call traditional cuvée. It's an easy drinking wine for short aging potential. Now you can really taste what we do here.
Is this more sweet?
Saan ka punta? Patingin. Ang ganda ng bag mo ngayon, ah. Lakad-lakad.
Ito sila, isa pa ko na.
Lakad-lakad pagkatapos mag wine tasting. Ano yun? Magpapababa ng alcohol.
Nakabalik na kami from wine tour. Ngayon naglalakad ngayon kami papunta sa ano. Papuntang hahanap kami ng dinner.
Wala na.
Sa buffet kami bumagsak. Kain tayo. Round 2. Round 3.
Hindi masarap yung...
Round 4. And a half. Time to relax a little bit.
So, pag gusto niyo pumunta dito sa Chateau Chambord, may parking na malapit na sa Chateau. Pag sasakyan kayo, P2. Sundan nyo lang yung sign P2 para yun sa mga kotse. Mamasyal lang kami dito saglit this morning bago, lamig, umuwi sa bahay sa Paris. Enjoy muna. Kasi marami naman talagang papasyalan dito, pero kung marami kang oras, masaya siya. Pero kung limited like ours, yung pinaka-highlights lang ang ginagawa namin dito, which is yung wine tour yesterday, and then today, itong chateau. Ayan na siya. Bibili muna ng ticket.
Yata ko pa, magpipicture pa ako.
Dito kayo bibili guys ng ticket.
Sige, go.
Ito yung kitchen nila dito. Magluto dito, boss?
Pwede.
So, tara, luto tayo dito.
Wala.
Boss.
Kulit ng mga sapatos noon.
Kakain tayo, tapos uwi na tayo.
Last floor na kami.
Dali. Picture, kayo na muna. Papadala ko na lang. Baka-picture lang pala yun the whole time? Ano ba yan?
Sa gera.
Nandito pala sa Mona Lisa. Oh, Gusto na nila umuwi at mamimili na kami. Gusto kumain ng masarap na pagkain. Yun, hello guys. Pauwi na kami ngayon. Natapos na rin yung Chateau na tour namin. And we'll see you when we get home.
Gutom na.
Yun na nga,
Malamnan
yun
lang.
na nga sinasabi ko eh. Pagkatapos namin mag-drive ng mga 20 minutes, kakain na uli kami.
Kasi lunch.
Lunch na. See you on the road.